Step into the world of Justice Guardian, the stronghold in personal injury law. With over 100 years of combined experience, our network of attorneys specialize in auto accidents in Arizona. We're not just lawyers, we're guardians of justice. Did you know that Arizona ranks 8th in the nation for the most fatal car accidents? Or that over 1,000 fatal accidents occur in Arizona each year? And it doesn't stop there. The state also experiences over 50,000 injuries due to car accidents annually. Even more alarming, Arizona has a high incidence of hit-and-run accidents. These accidents often leave victims dealing with the aftermath alone. But you don't have to face this alone. Justice Guardian is here to guide you through the complex legal process. We're experts in helping victims of drunk driving accidents, distracted driving, and reckless driving. We also handle cases involving uninsured and underinsured motorists. Even if you've been involved in a car accident with a commercial vehicle, Justice Guardian is here to protect your rights. Remember the name Arizona Auto Accident Lawyer Justice Guardian Law when you need a guardian in the court of law. We're here to help, we're here to protect, and we're here to ensure justice is served.